Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So, as the December is going on and 2026 is very close, in this video I will show you how to send 2026 sticker in WhatsApp or how to get 2026 sticker in your WhatsApp application itself. How to get that sticker in your WhatsApp chat. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to get that. Open your WhatsApp. So here if you will go and click on emoji, you will get the list of emoji. What you need to do, you need to click on this sticker icon here, and here in search you can click and search for 2026. Either you can send it from here or you can click on this plus icon here, you can see below, and search for, here you can see the first one, Happy New Year WhatsApp. Click on the plus, so this sticker will be added to your WhatsApp. If you will go back, and here you can see, you will see a new year kind of sticker. So if I will click on this, you can see we have a 2026 sticker. I hope you will find this video useful.